This Meetings in a Minute is brought to you by Thunder Valley Casino Resort, Northern California's premier AAA four-diamond destination. Offering a large selection of complimentary venues from small meeting spaces to luxurious event halls. Book your next meeting today at Thunder Valley Casino Resort or visit thundervalleyresort.com.
Hi, I'm Rick McNary. I am with the Outreach Program, and this is my Meeting in a Minute. My tip for you comes from actually the concept of IKEA. They understand that people like agency. They like to do something to make things happen. As you look for a corporate social responsibility activity, something like a meal packaging event is a great way to give people agency, the ability to do something practical about fighting hunger in your own community.